How to log in account in Ghibliart.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in using your account. First of all, open the web browser that you use. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, here on the top, you must enter this site called Ghibliart.ai. So you'll be in this website. Now, here on the right top, you can see the sign in button. Tap on sign in. Here, you must enter your email and password with which you have registered. So enter your email and password. So here I am entering mine. After you enter your email and password, here on the bottom you can see this sign in button in purple color. Tap on sign in. So it will take some time. Now as you can see, I have been signed in. So here on the right you can even see my profile icon. So this indicates that I have already signed in. Now you can use this AI easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help.